Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ellis County in north-central Texas, western Navarro County in north-central Texas, until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Blooming Grove, or 15 miles west of Corsicana, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Waxahachie, Ellis, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Ovilla, Ferris, Palmer, Oak Leaf, Blooming Grove, Dawson, Bardwell, Alma, Barry, Rice, Garrett, Frost, Pecan Hill, and Emhouse. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 389 and 411. Interstate 45 between mile markers 237 and 266. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.